And well, India's space ambitions just got a fresh boost under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's bold vision. India seems to be gearing up to reach for the stars, and very soon such a mission could very well spring from its own soil. At India's 79th Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort, Prime Minister Modi announced that India is working towards self-reliance in the space sector as well, similar to strides in other sectors. And a big example of that is India's preparations for Gaganyaan, its first indigenous human space flight mission, with a launch expected in the next 2 years in 2027. And that's not all. As per Prime Minister Modi, India is also on track to develop its own space station. The first module is scheduled for launch in 2028, with aims to complete the full station by 2035. Taking things few notches higher, India also plans to land on on the moon by 2040, and if successful, India will be joining the elite club of nations such as Russia, the US and China with independent indigenous human spaceflight capabilities. Prime Minister Modi also took note of the progress made with 300 space startups working worldwide. He also stressed on the power of youth in driving them to new heights. A quick look now at India's space success story in the recent past. It will tell you that after Moon and Mars, India has its eyes now set on orbital missions to other neighboring planets. In August 2023, India made history by successfully landing Chandrayaan-3 near the moon's south pole. This made it the first country to achieve such a feat. The mission also demonstrated the capability of Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, in precision lunar landing and roving. Then, in January this year, ISRO achieved its 100th rocket launch. It launched a navigation satellite showcasing India's indigenous cryogenic engine technology. And more recently, on July 30th, the Nisar satellite, worth nearly $1.3 billion, was launched in a joint Indo-US Earth observation mission with the purpose to monitor climate change, disasters and agriculture. In a landmark achievement, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla completed a 20-day mission, including 18 days aboard the ISS, that's the International Space Station, as a part of the Axiom 4 mission. And this marked India's first human space flight since that of Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma in the year 1984. Praising this extraordinary feat, Prime Minister Modi said that Shukla's courage and determination has set a new record for billions to dream big. What's also unique about these space missions is the fact that they are cost-effective and they also have a proven record of reliability. And now, with India's space economy predicted to grow beyond $40 billion by 2040 and the government's unwavering commitment to expand space explorations, India could be looking at a quantum leap in the global space race.